Yo, what's up guys? It's Hash here, and welcome to the first video on my channel. If you ever wanted to mine Bitcoin but didn't want to deal with the noise, heat, or hardware costs, this is where GoMining comes in. GoMining is a platform that lets you own real Bitcoin mining power called hashrate without running a single machine yourself. It's fully cloud-based, connected to physical miners, farming all around the world. And it pays you daily Bitcoin rewards straight to your wallet. Here's how it works. GoMining operates industrial-grade mining facilities and sells tokenized hash rate represented by NFT miners. As you can see right here, each NFT miner represents a piece of real hardware with a specific amount of hash rate and energy efficiency. When you buy one, you're effectively buying a share of a real miner's computing power. The more hash rate you own, the more Bitcoin you earn every day, automatically. GoMining handles the maintenance, power costs, and software optimization behind the scenes. Unlike traditional mining setups that can cost thousands to start, GoMining allows you to begin with just a few dollars. There's no equipment to manage, no setup, no noise, and no risk of hardware failure. You can increase or decrease your mining power at any time by buying or selling hash rate on the marketplace. Plus, they have a token called GoMining, which gives you discounts on electricity rates for your miners and can be used for staking or future platform perks. The entire process is transparent. Each miner's performance and profitability are visible in real time through the dashboard. So to get started, you want to click the link in the description and create an account. And then go ahead and complete verification. Get your free 16 terahash miner. If you want to, go ahead and deposit some funds. And then step 3, head to buy your first NFT miner. Choose your miner based on the hash rate and energy efficiency. The system will show you expected daily rewards and power costs before you confirm. Once purchased, your NFT miner goes live immediately, earning Bitcoin from day one. Rewards appear in your balance automatically every 24 hours, and you can withdraw anytime to your external wallet. If you want to scale up, you can reinvest your earnings to increase your hash rate. Many users compound their rewards daily, building larger miners over time for higher passive income. So GoMining is not some speculative crypto project. It's a bridge between real Bitcoin mining hardware and simple online ownership. You're buying genuine hash rate, earning real Bitcoin, and letting experts handle everything technical. Whether you're looking to build long-term Bitcoin reserves or just test out mining without the risk, this platform makes it simple. Create your account, pick your first miner, and watch your Bitcoin rewards start rolling in automatically every single day. And that will be it for this video, guys. If you want to watch my journey and continue with my videos, please go ahead and hit subscribe so you get notified whenever I upload the next video. And let me know about your thoughts on GoMining in the comments. Are you going to be using it, or are you already using it? Let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.